What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to be doing a review. Is my bun? I feel like my bun is crooked. Am I straight? Am I straight? I feel like I'm straight. Today we're going to be doing a review. No, my bun is really crooked. Like, all right, that's better. That's better. We're going to be doing a review slash swatch slash demo on these Japonesque lipsticks. They are the Kissed by Kumadori lipsticks, and I was so excited to get this in the mail. I wasn't expecting this at all, so I'm excited to review these for you guys. There's some really pretty shades in here. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen a sneak peek of some of the shades that's in here. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you go ahead and do that right now. And also, while you're doing things, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified each time I post a video. I'll also place the link to my Instagram down in the description box below, so make sure you do that if you want to keep up with what I got going on. And if you want to see sneak peeks of goodies like this, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm mainly on Instagram. Snapchat, I kind of fell off of that. It's just too much to try to keep up with, and I'm very simple, very like low-key chill, and it's hard to maintain social media. I'm just keep it real. So if you're interested in seeing the swatches and seeing a demo of these lipsticks by Japonesque, the Kumadori collection, keep on watching. So can we just take a moment to adore the packaging for this? Like, how cute is that? So there are a total of 12 shades that came in this box. A lot of them are similar in shade range, but they're different shades, if that makes any sense. But they are really beautiful. So I'm just going to talk a little bit about the lipsticks. These are, again, by Japonesque, and it's their Kumadori, Kissed by Kumadori line. Kumadori lipstick with TSUBAKI, I hope I said that right, TSUBAKI oil, which offers potent hydration and anti-aging benefits for soft, supple lips all day long. Plus, with a beautiful range of couture shades in creamy, bold, long-lasting color, you can layer, ombre, or go solo to create unlimited looks you and your lips will love. I should be a spokesperson for Japonesque, right? Holla at me, Japonesque, you know. And then if you want to explore more videos on these lipsticks or watch some tutorials, you can head over to their website, japonesque.com/tutorials/Kumadori-lipstick-ombre looks. That was a tongue twister. But yeah, so without further ado, I'm just gonna get right into this. I don't have anything on my lips right now but some lip balm, so I'm ready to swatch and demo for you guys. I think I kind of took these out of order when I was playing around with them on Instagram. So let's go ahead and start to swatch these lipsticks. So the packaging on these lipsticks, I think this is metal, which is good. It gives it a nice high-end chic look. I don't think I'm gonna line for any of these because I do want you guys to really get the full feel for the lipstick on its own. Of course, most of these shades are probably gonna look better lined. At least I know on me, they will look better lined with a brown liner. So the first shade that we're gonna swatch is Tatami. Tatami, I hope I'm spelling that right. You'll see the name of the lipstick pop up over here. The first thing I'm gonna do is swatch this shade on my hand. I'm not really good with swatches either. Very pretty though. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply her to the lips. Can I just say that I have been loving creamy or satin lipsticks as of lately? Like, I'm just over mattes. I don't have time for mattes. They dry my lips out super bad and I just don't have time for it anymore. This is Tatami. Feels very good on the lips. It's very satiny, feels moisturizing. I like it. I like it a lot. I like the shade. Again, of course, most of these lipsticks that you see me wear, I'm likely gonna wear, like the lighter shades, I'm likely gonna wear with a brown liner, but this is really pretty. One thing I left out is that the lipstick tube is magnetic, so that's always a plus, so you don't lose your lipstick tops. The next shade that I'm trying out is in the shade Bamboo. Alright, so this one looks very similar to the last one. Like I said, a lot of them are really close in shade range. So yeah, I'm curious to see what this looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch her under Tatami. Yeah, they look like really almost identical. This is Tatami here, and this is Bamboo. Okay, so I think I see the difference on the lips. Bamboo is kind of muted, it's not as bright as Tatami, and I actually think I would wear this one without a liner. It's very, 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 very pretty. So the next one that we're pulling out is SAKURA. This one looks like a wine, plum wine type of color. Oh, that's pretty. This is so fall. It's giving me all types of fall vibes. Pretty SAKURA. I realized I kind of skipped over a couple of the other lighter shades, and I want to kind of do it from light to dark. So I'm gonna go back to a lighter shade here, and oh, that's pretty. It's not a lighter shade, but it is. This one is Silk. Again, it's another light pinky color. This one looks lighter than Tatami, which was the first one. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one above that. Yeah, that one is definitely lighter. Definitely want to line your lips with that one. Ooh. Oh yeah. Definitely need a liner for this one. It is a pretty shade, but it doesn't really suit me without liner. I'm sure if I lined this, threw a gloss over it, I would love this. But on its own, it doesn't really do anything for my skin tone, but it is a very pretty shade. Alright, so the next shade that we're going in with is Umi. I hope I'm saying that right. Umi, U-M-E. And this is what she looks like. This one is more of a brighter pink. So this is Umi. That is pretty. Good job on the shade selection, Japonesque. And the pigmentation. They're really, really pigmented lipsticks. And this is Umi. Okay, so the next pretty shade that we're going in with is in the shade HAIKU. Gonna swatch her. So this is kind of like Umi's big sister, you know? It's a little darker than Umi. Umi is the last one that we swatched here. It's like right under Umi. And I would say big sister because it's more refined, whereas, you know, your younger sibling is doing the most. Umi doing the most. Big sister is kind of muted, kind of chill, kind of relaxed. She's been here for a while, you know. So far, HAIKU might be one of my favorites. So now we're moving into the red shades. The first one that I'm pulling out is in the shade AKA. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my hands. Pretty. So this is a really pretty classic red right here. I love this. Okay, so the next shade that we're swatching is, oh, This was a pink. We were supposed to swatch her earlier, but this one is in the shade TSUBAKI. So we're just gonna swipe it down the bottom, although it's in the pink range. Just disregard that. That's pretty. Okay, like seriously, I haven't found a shade that I didn't like yet in this collection. Okay, so the next shade that we're opening up is called Obi. And what the heck? This one looks like it's pink too. It should have been swatched earlier. All right, 2 more to go, guys. All right, so these last 2 are reds for sure. And this one is in the shade Kumadori, which is also the name on the box. It's the name of the collection. Oops. Just place that. Just swatch that over the last shade. Horrible at swatches, guys. Forgive me. So this one is actually a little brighter than the other red. Yeah, so Kumadori is definitely a little brighter than AKA Classic Red. So I'm sorry, I lied. I actually have 2 more shades to swatch. This next one is Adzuki. Kind of looks like a brick red type of color. Try not to get it over that last one like I did the last time. I hope I'm saying these names right. Forgive me, Japonesque, if I'm butchering them. I apologize in advance. So another pretty one, Adzuki. This is what she looks like on the lips. All right, so now we're on to the last shade. And this is the darkest color, I believe. No, I think this one was the darkest one. This one is the second to last darkest one, and it's in the shade Origami. Yeah, that one is definitely darker. Origami. Oh, that's pretty. And that is it, you guys. That is all 12 shades of the Japonesque Kumadori collection. Very pretty shades. I know my swatches look a mess, but hope you enjoyed this lip swatch video slash demo slash review. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you do that. Matter of fact, I'll give you a couple seconds to go ahead and push that subscribe button right now. And if you have any questions about any of these lipsticks, make sure you drop them in the comment box below, and I'll go ahead and answer some of those for you guys. Bye.